the game. This is a build further competition. We are going to select the dress. So this is good. Now we are selecting. Wow. No. Yes. No, this is best. The handbag. No. Yeah. This is the best choice. We are selecting a head cap. Headphone. We are selecting jewelry. Earrings. Good. Now we will see our opponent how doing some makeup. First of all, we are starting with the lips. So we are making the lips. Wow. Good. Now we are selecting the hairstyle. No. Yeah. This is the best hairstyle. Second, we are selecting the lenses. Good. So we are back. Now we are selecting the eyebrows. No. The lotions. Wow. Now it's time for eyelashes. My lashes are so charming. Good. Now we are making the eye powders. Amazing. Now just the time for eyebrows to make a stunning eyebrows. Now we are able to compete. Now let's have our competition. So let's begin the competition. Who will win? And we will see our opponent, how she has been prepared. And we are hoping that we will be the winner. The scoreboard has been started and we are a score of 72. Wow, we have won by 1 point. This is amazing.